So this is a trending Korean product called Eurthymol. It's a this particular one is a whitening purple corrector, and the one I got in Japan is a peach floral mint flavor. It depends where you are, what flavors you get, and I haven't opened it up yet, but I will. Here you go. Do-do-do-do-do-do. This is one of those things you have to be careful because it's metal. You might want to have one of those rolling keys or something, or just carefully fold it so that it doesn't crack and your toothpaste gets everywhere. So a little bit old school here with the packaging. I kind of like it. It's very retro. And because I'm in Japan here, everything is in Japanese, but assumedly, wherever you buy this, you might find your language. And I believe it is purple. Let's open it up and find out. Oh yeah, it's like a real nice lavender. What does it taste like? Nice. Minty. It looks blue on camera compared to the cap, doesn't it? Okay, I've wiped the toothpaste off here. Now what this comes with here, as I hinted at earlier, is this chart to see your tooth color. So you can judge if you're going from yellow to white over time. So I'm going to try that. Stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see, my teeth here are currently around a 6 or a 7. But you know, it's all going to depend on this lighting here. So even if it looks better in the results after a week, buyer beware, I'd say. It's hard to make these kind of claims, you know? Okay, you guys, I've been using this for actually almost 2 weeks now and loving it. Not every day, almost every day. I love the taste of this stuff. And the reason why it's working, I feel, so well is because of this purple, I don't know if it's dye or whatever this is, because, you know, when you have yellow hair, purple is the one that combats it, isn't it? So it kind of makes sense. But I've gone and lost the chart, haven't I? So I've just checked my teeth, but I've got nothing to compare it to. Personally, I wouldn't make any claims that this will whiten your teeth in 2 weeks. I think without any peroxides or bleaches or anything like that, it really is hard to show any major differences. But you know, toothpaste does clean your teeth and purple does cut yellow, so it might have a small effect depending on your situation. I'm enjoying the toothpaste, enjoying the taste, and I think my smile is looking fine. So there you go. I'm going to keep using it and enjoying it.